Big news! YouTube just upped their game. Shorts are now 3 minutes long. More time for creators to tell epic stories, share deeper insights, or go wild with new editing ideas. Guess they're not that short anymore, more like YouTube tall. First, it was 1-minute shorts, now 3 minutes. By 2025, we'll be calling them YouTube Genes. For those of you who haven't heard, what? Have you been living under a rock? Just kidding. I've got you covered. I actually just dropped a full video breaking down all the new features and changes in detail. You'll want to check that out first, so you're all caught up before today's video. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright, back to our topic today, video editing. By the way, head over to the last video in this series on my channel. I've spilled all the secrets on how to set up a 3-minute short script like a pro. It's like the perfect blueprint you didn't know you needed. So let's say you've got an awesome script or killer content idea. High five! Now comes the part that really brings it all to life, editing. Think of editing like that final touch of magic that takes your raw footage and turns it into something that makes people go, wow. It's like giving your content a fresh new look, like it's all dressed up and ready to impress. And here's the kicker. Great editing equals money. So when your videos are engaging, they keep viewers hooked, boost retention, and lead to more views, shares, and subscribers. Platforms like YouTube reward high-quality content, meaning more opportunities for ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. So, getting your editing game on point isn't just about the art, it's about getting paid. First, let's quickly cover the basics. As of now, you can't directly create 3-minute shorts using the Shorts camera in the YouTube mobile app. Bummer, right? Though you can still upload them through YouTube Studio on either a desktop or smartphone. Now here's the important bit about music. If your video is under 60 seconds, you can use any track from the Shorts audio library, but from the 61st second, you'll need to grab some royalty-free tunes from the YouTube audio library to avoid any content ID issues. There are tons of websites out there that provide licensed music, such as epidemicsound.com, artlist.o, storyblocks.com, you name it. These platforms offer a wide range of tracks that you can legally use to amp up your content. If you're curious about music eligibility and want more details, just check out the link I'll drop in the description for you to explore. Updates on aspect ratio. You're going to keep the 9:16 vertical format.
Now, if you upload vertical videos longer than 60 seconds but shorter than 3 minutes before October the 15th, they will stay as regular long-form videos. But from that day onwards, any video up to 3 minutes long in a square or taller aspect ratio will be treated as a short.
New uploads that are up to 3 minutes in length and square or taller in aspect ratio will be considered shorts and will be reflected across all surfaces in the next few weeks.
Basically, any video with a 1 square format or taller and up to 180 seconds long will get its shot in the short feed after the new 3-minute format launches. So, if you're sticking to those specs, you're good to go. Aside from audio and aspect ratio updates, here are 3 fun changes for the new 3-minute short. Pacing magic. With more time to play with, you can experiment with longer storytelling and mix quick cuts with slower, more cinematic moments to keep viewers hooked. Pro tip, try structuring your shorts like a mini story with a beginning, middle, and end. This approach will keep your audience engaged for the full duration. Creative transitions. The extra 2 minutes give you room to get fancy with smooth transitions, effects, and layered visuals, making your content feel more dynamic and polished, according to video editing experts. Smooth transitions create a professional feel and keep the audience immersed in the content without sudden distractions. Creative remixes. With YouTube's remixing features, you can easily borrow and edit existing content, giving you more flexibility for mashups and comparisons. The extra time in 3-minute shorts allows for more thoughtful, creative edits. Pro tip, add value to the original content by remixing clips in ways that offer fresh, engaging perspectives. You can explore more insights on YouTube Shorts updates from Engadget and Petapixel for additional ideas and strategies. Wow, these updates really give you plenty more room to flex your creativity while still keeping things fast, fun, and engaging for viewers. Do you feel excited about this new era? Okay, now for the fun part. How are you going to bring all these awesome ideas to life? Well, you're going to need some top-notch editing software, especially if you're planning on creating those epic 3-minute shorts on YouTube long-term. Lucky for you, there's no shortage of tools in the market. The big 3 to check out are Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro X, and CapCut. Each one brings something different to the table, so let's dive into how they can help you level up your content and which one I am going to highly recommend for you. Wait for it. Final Cut Pro X runs super smoothly on Apple hardware, which is great for doing big projects. You get awesome features like advanced color grading, multicam editing, and the ability to handle complex videos with ease. The interface is quite user-friendly for even beginners to start. However, this software is Mac only, so Windows folks are out of luck. Plus, while it looks sleek, it can be tricky to learn for beginners and doesn't integrate with third-party tools as easily as some other software. Another thing you may be concerned, Final Cut Pro X is a one-time purchase of $299.99, which means no recurring fees, just pay once, and it's yours forever once paid. Adobe Premiere Pro is a cross-platform favorite and considered an industry standard. It's widely used for both large-scale Hollywood productions and smaller indie projects. Premiere Pro works best when paired with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it perfect if you're already using tools like Photoshop or After Effects. It's packed with advanced features like multi-layer editing and constant updates. With this software, you need a powerful computer to run smoothly to avoid being lagged while working. And if you're new to video editing, the learning curve can feel a bit steep. Also, Adobe Premiere Pro is subscription-based, costing $20.99 per month for the standalone app or $54.99 per month if you want full access to the entire Adobe Creative Cloud suite. Not to mention, with constant updates, the monthly fee can add up over time. I know, pretty pricey, isn't it? Especially for casual users. I feel y'all. Alright, it's giveaway time. Who's excited? For all you Adobe Premiere Pro users, I've got some super cool plugins that are totally free just for you. I'll drop the link in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Let's talk CapCut, originally made for TikTok creators. It's now a full desktop app too. The best part? It's free and super easy to use. Perfect for beginners or casual creators making social media content. CapCut is not actually built for pro-level editing, so features like advanced color grading or multi-layer editing are better suited for tools like Final Cut or Premiere. That being said, with the new 3-minute shorts format, I honestly believe CapCut is the perfect choice for creators looking to pump out videos on a daily basis, especially at a larger scale. Here's why. Number 1, free. It's completely no charge, no financial barrier to entry. Number 2, ease of use. CapCut's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy for beginners to jump in and start editing without the intimidating complexity of Final Cut or Premiere. Number 3, edit on any device. CapCut works across computers, tablets, and smartphones, so you can easily edit videos on the go, anytime, anywhere. Super convenient. Number 4, optimize for shortened content. CapCut is built to make short videos with the vertical aspect ratio. It's quick, mobile-friendly, and integrated with social media. Number 5, AI features. The AI-powered tools like auto captions and background removal make it a fast and efficient option for quick edits, saving you tons of time. Props to you for sticking around till the end. You're a real MVP. I know we covered a ton of info today, but you're still here, and that's awesome. Oh snap! Looks like you're itching to master those 3-minute YouTube shorts and figure out how CapCut works. Well, lucky you, because as a little thank you for sticking around, I'm about to hit you with the simplest, no BS guide to CapCut, start to finish. By the time we're done, you'll be editing like a total pro. Let's dive in and take your editing skills up a notch, shall we? I'm going to use the script I made in the last video to make a short as an example. First things first, download CapCut and get ready to start creating magic. Once it's installed, open the app. I already have it on my computer here. Don't worry, signing in is optional, but I recommend it if you want to save your projects and come back to them later. Hit the New Project button on the main screen. It's the gateway to your new video adventure. You'll be asked to select the video clips, photos, or audio you want to edit from your phone's gallery. Just tap Add after you've selected them. Now for the fun part, the actual editing. On the timeline, you can trim your clips by simply dragging the ends, or if you want to make precise cuts, tap the split option. You can also add some flair by tapping the white box between clips to select a transition, like a cool fade or a slick swipe. It's all about keeping things dynamic and interesting. Want to slow down or speed up the action? CapCut has your back. Select your clip and tap speed to make it go faster or slower, giving your video that cinematic edge. If you're feeling extra creative, go ahead and explore the effects and filters in the toolbar to give your footage a unique, polished look like a pro. What's a video without some fun text or stickers, right? Tap text in the toolbar to add captions or titles. Customize the font color and animation so it perfectly matches your vibe. Want to spice things up even more? Check out stickers. You can add emojis, fun icons, or animated graphics to make your video pop. Music is the heart of every good video, and CapCut makes it super easy. Tap audio in the toolbar to import your favorite tunes or pick from CapCut's free music library. There you go. Adjust the volume, add fade and decay effects, and sync it with your clips for the perfect soundtrack. Oh, and if you're feeling extra creative, you can add a voiceover by tapping import and choose your available voice tracks. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Tap the export button, little arrow in the top right corner. Select your resolution 1080p for that crispy HD feel and frame rate. Then, hit export. Sit back and watch as CapCut processes your video. You can either save it to your device or share it directly to your social media. You're officially a video editing pro. Now let's jump into creating your masterpiece. The new 3-minute format is a total game changer for creators like you to earn big money. More time means more room to get creative, tell better stories, and keep your audience hooked. And let's face it, the key to crushing it, great editing. With CapCut, it's super easy and totally accessible, no stress, just fun. This is a whole new chapter and a fresh chance you don't want to miss out on. If you're ready to take your YouTube Shorts to the next level, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button to get the earliest content updates. More awesome tips and tricks are coming your way. Let's make the most of this new opportunity and create something epic.